Well, like it gets harder the more vehicles you have, right? Because then everybody's in a big group on the highway, and when you're trying to shoot like one car.
James. That was a 2.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. You missed a spot.
I've seen this car around.
Last one in.
I think that's the only part you missed. I guess, yeah.
Look who decided to show up.
Can you tear apart that motor at all? Yeah. Did you get the crank pulley off? There's the crank bolts? Yeah. Really? I went to when I got into scrapper, it was way easier.
We do YouTube, so don't mind us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen your YouTube.
Did you see that video? That was the first one, man. So what's the plan today?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
Fuck, I wasn't expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vehicles. Well, it's like
But you're gonna have to line up.
well, like it gets harder the more vehicles you have, right? Because then everybody's in a big group on the highway, and when you're trying to shoot like one car individually,
Yeah.
you get everybody in the background. So basically, like everybody except the car that I'm shooting is gonna have to be way back, just blocking traffic.
Oh yeah.
What about that road Hal was talking about?
Pratt Whitney Drive,
Yeah.
it's empty, it's usable, it's short.
I mean, we're going now anyways. We can try it, right?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Cool. Yeah, how's the intercooler looking? Can't even see it, man. We're missing somebody, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We're missing Joe.
Yeah,
Joe went to entry.
How did you turn?
I blame it on you, Hal.
Oh my god, just illegal as fuck. You're like YOLO.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm good, bro.
Joe's like, fuck that.
Fuck it, you know what? I'll take that.
No, he was gonna.
Yeah. So he's gone to
Thanks, man.
Enfield.
Well, yeah.
I'll have to go on race, but I think he can take it. No, I don't think so. I'm gonna get him. We're gonna have a race or what?
Oh yeah.
Right? Legally though, right? Like we're going to a track right now.
Yes.
Yes, we're going to a track.
Think I'm here.
We're going to a track, Laura?
Fuck off.
What do you mean?
Stop.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Consuela. No.
Gotta get the slap skate in.
That's why I don't come up.
What do you mean? Oh, look who decided to show up. Where'd you go, man? All right, round 2. We're gonna do more rollers. Hopped out that F30 over there, got back into the E93. What do you got done to this?
I got full bolt-ons, downpipe, charge pipe, blow-off valve, dual cones,
You stage 2 plus now, MHD, right?
stage 2 plus MHD.
Nice. He's the only guy with a BMW that uses signals. So we're doing one car at a time this time, eh?
Yeah, we'll do one car at a time.
Okay.
It's just easier than trying to shoot a big cluster.
That's right. Oh, BMW problems.
That's the U39 life, man.
Let's see what's going on. Ah, I didn't catch it.
I'll be doing it too, didn't you?
All good?
Hell yeah.
So you got the 2021.
Yeah.
How you liking it?
Oh, I love it.
Think you need gas, bro.
I know it's a little low. All the time.
Got the nice seats.
Straight there, or they get one ticket, or they tell you, you get it off, you come call my number within a week. And meet up.
That's a sick color though.
Give me the ticket. I know the color is worth the wait.
Yeah.
Just fucking free arming it.
What are you doing?
Free arming.
They don't hurt
This makes me miss my car.
There's lots of there's lots of cars.
That's the only reason I did mine, because there's so many tinted ones around, right? Like,
I mean, as long as, like, I don't know, if you do like a nice 60, like between 40 and 60, and tell him like, hey man, it's a show car, blah blah blah, and you don't go like this dude right here.
The M1 looks a lot like the Display.
Yeah. Y'all, let me feel that noggin real quick. Goddamn Tim Hortons.
Driving through the drive-through and not actually buying one is pretty much blasphemy.
No, it's like dangling the carrot in front of the horse.
The manager thought he was about to get 12 cars.
Yeah.
Hey James,
What's going on?
what are you doing, man?
Pumping up a little air. A little top up.
Yo, the pump matches your sweater.
Yeah, straight up.
Was that on purpose?
Oh, 100.
One of you guys has to change now.
Yeah, I gotta get some yellow kit. Tense though. Holy Jesus.
Crop me out.
One eternity later.
Roof breaks.
Imagine the roof is stuck like that.
So who's next, Warren?
I love it, but do the STI.
SDI?
What I love.
Maybe next time she's not here.
No, but
Laura,
Yeah.
I think we have to move.
We're taking my car.
Oh,
My car's been
how much gas do you have?
a lot.
those guys have added.
Yeah, I find
And nobody asks any questions.
You know what? I might actually. It might still be on the roof.
Check my truck.
This is why he bought my old car, right? Yeah, I bought his old car. I've had another one recently bought. So that's where I got the extra.
You guys are best friends now.
Yeah, I don't like him that much, but. So yeah.
But he's got parts you need.
Yeah. I got money he needs, so. Well. Yep. All right. Is the guy in the STI ready to go?
Yep.
Maybe kind of, sort of.
I'll go flag him down.
Close up. Well within warranty, though.
Oh, look at old one-wheel peel.
What's going on here, fellers? Oh, he's gonna get us kicked out. He's gonna get us kicked out.
Smell it.
All right, he's banned. He's banned. Hey man,
That's auto.
you're gonna get us kicked out of here.
no, he's gonna take me. He's gonna take
Oh yeah?
He's gonna take me.
Yeah.
I'll still go with him though.
Yeah, man, we want to see that. 135 versus a 335. Yeah, man. I think you're next, bro.
How are you liking your toy?
My toy? Oh yeah, I love it, man. You going again?
Yeah.
Why does he get to go twice?
To get one in focus.
Haha. I think you gotta move me.
Framed well. Like I got a nice one.
Oh, that's actually sick.
Right, I just want to get him a little bit further down in the frame.
Yeah.
A little bit more of the sky.
Oh, that's fair. What are you doing? You're in the middle of the road. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Yeah. I think that SDI is pretty quick, man.
Huh?
I think that SDI is pretty quick. Give us a rev, Muhammad. Noise.
Welcome to the dark side. Black Rose.